Salud! This is MaxBot channel. Now I want to show you on a live example, how with the help of a cool and really effective tool you can multiply your profits. I will open the first trade on the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen, expiry time 2 minutes. The first investment will be $700. Artificial intelligence is signaling, lower. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot with an average passability of 90% for free, after which you can buy the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at a super discount. Link in the description. I can see from the tick volume histogram that the bears have had almost no significant gains over the past 2 hours of trading. In a couple of moments they lowered the price, but after that the buyers acted more intensively again. However, the sideways movement that was observed in the last minutes may play a big role in the development we need. The bears may now rebound from the resistance area and bring the price down. I think that the robot checked the probability of these events, and when it became clear that this was the most realistic option, it gave a signal. We just have to wait a little bit, guys. This trade will close in plus with a huge probability. I trust the smart bot. By the way, after purchasing the robot, you will get access to the closed VIP chat, where you can see market entry recommendations from experienced experts. It is very important for traders to continue gaining experience at a distance. That is why it is important to be an active member of the community, not to be afraid of modern know-how and new technologies. Explore diversity, find opportunities, friends. And MaxBot is an opportunity for you to make your life much better. The task of this neural network is to help you optimize your work schedule. It takes the load off of you and makes the most important financial decisions on its own. And here is the first deal closed in the plus. The robot was right. Plus $574. That's the first step. The second step I will make on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I will work on a 3-minute expiry time. To get a forecast, just click on the 2 corresponding buttons in the bot's menu. Its signal for a new trade is lower. The news background has no influence on this currency pair now. Price fluctuations are reduced at the moment. The bot provides this information together with the signals in one message to make it easier for you to assess the overall situation. So, I'll take another look at the historical data with TradingView. In the last few minutes, the bears were really very active. Their volumes were growing rapidly and saturating the market. Before that, the trend was rising smoothly, followed by a smooth decline. But now the situation is completely different. Now the sellers are really getting into the game. I think that the robot, after checking the fundamental and technical information, came to the conclusion of the best stage for the sellers in the last couple of hours. Now it was really important to get in on the downside in time to grab the opportunity. I have confidence in the robot. I am confident that its analytics will bring us profits again. This is a cold-blooded, professional, incredibly skilled trader with artificial intelligence. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. After all, MaxBot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. Now it's time to see the results. Oh, yes. MaxBot has worked hard and his prediction has come true again. Plus $602. Now I'll take one more step to a big plus. I'll enter the market on the 1-minute time frame. The investment amount will be much higher, $1,700. The neural network advised me to open a trade on the upside. Powerful news background. Strong volatility. These are the realities of this currency pair at the moment. Guys, look at the screen. These are screenshots with feedback from people who are already actively working with MaxBot on a regular basis. They trusted a revolutionary tool and will wish for the fruits of its work. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make with a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours. This robot is not just an assistant. It is a real trading expert that will not let you make fatal mistakes. Just a reminder that there are now 10 seats left at the maximum discount of 90% off. The link is in the description. Pick up 3 free signals, then pick up the full version with the perfect offerer. Meanwhile, the third deal has come to an end. Super result. $1,462 came to my deposit. $2,638 is the total profit for 3 deals. 3 accurate signals from the bot. 3 fat pluses. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel and give me a like. Click on the bell to keep up to date with the most important events and profitable offers. And of course, trade with MaxBot. See you later at the same place.